Hi friends, it's Mrs. Jankovich coming to you on Monday. This week is Stripe Day. So as you can see, I'm wearing my striped shirt. And whenever you have stripes, you have a pattern. So you can see that the pattern on my stripes is dark blue, white, dark blue, white, dark blue, white, dark blue, white, all the way. It just keeps going, dark blue and white. I also want to show you something. I don't know if you remember a couple of weeks ago when I read to you the pout pout fish. I also showed you that I've been working on a really hard 750 piece puzzle. So I wanted to show you that today I finished the puzzle. Yay! Go Mrs. Jankovich! Yeah! So here you can see that there's the picture of the puzzle that I did. That's the box. And it's a lot of penguins. Now you can see there's the puzzle itself. I put together all those pieces. Well, I had a little help from Mr. Jankovich and from my daughter Megan, but mostly I did it myself. You can see that sadly there's 3 pieces missing, 1 in the corner and 2 on the bottom. But I was still able to do it, and I'm very proud that I got that done. I hope some of you have puzzles at home to work on. Now, because we're talking about patterns this week, I want to read you some books this week. The first one I'm going to read you today is called Beep Beep, Vroom Vroom. Some of you might like it. I want you to look for patterns in the pictures and we'll listen for patterns in the words. Ready? Let's do it. Beep Beep, Vroom Vroom by Stuart J. Murphy. Illustrated by Chris Demarest. Now I'm looking at the picture and I'm thinking, what do I think this is going to be about? I bet you're doing the same. And we see a picture of someone playing with cars. And we hear the title, Beep Beep, Vroom Vroom. And I'm thinking, I know those are the sounds that cars make. So I think we can all guess that this book is going to be about cars, yes. All right, let's get it. Let's do it. Beep, beep. Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. Honk the yellow cars. Vroom, vroom. Zoomed the red cars. Crash, crash. Banged the blue cars. Cars are fun, said Kevin, for big kids to play with. I like cars, said Molly. You're too little to play with my cars, said Kevin. Kevin, called Mom, it's your turn to set the table. Oh, Mom, grumbles Kevin. He carefully lined up all the cars on his shelf. When I come back, Kevin told Molly, I want to see my cars just the way I left them. Molly waited until Kevin went downstairs. Then, vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Dad heard lots of vrooming, crashing, and beeping. Molly, Dad said, you know you shouldn't play with Kevin's cars unless you ask. Let's put them right back where you found them. Kevin always lines his cars up in a special way. Molly waited until Dad went downstairs. Then, crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. This time, Mom heard all the crashing, beeping, and vrooming. Oh, Molly, Mom said, you've made a big mess of Kevin's cars. Can you help me put them back the way he lines them up? I'm looking at that. It looks different. Molly waited until Mom went downstairs. Then, beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Now, Digger heard the beeping, vrooming, and crashing. Woo! Digger barked. Woo, woo! Digger gave Molly lots of kisses, and he wagged his tail. A little too much. Oh, it looks like the tail is moving all the cars around. Molly, called Kevin from the kitchen, you'd better not be playing with my cars. I'm coming upstairs to see. Molly put all the cars on the shelf as fast as she could. She could hear Kevin coming closer and closer. Molly looked at the cars. They didn't look quite right. She lined them up again quickly. When Kevin walked in the door, he found his cars just the way he left them. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Maybe someday you'll be old enough to play with cars too, Molly, said Kevin. Surprise, Molly, said Mom. She was standing in the doorway. We were going to wait until your birthday to give you these, but we think you're old enough to have them now. Molly smiled at the shiny, new cars. Molly, then, beep, beep, honked the green cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the purple cars. Crash. What a fun story. I noticed a lot of patterns. I saw that every time someone tried to help Molly put those cars back in a line, like her mom or her dad, they put them in a different pattern. I wonder if you can watch again and see what those patterns were. I also heard a pattern in the words, because every time it was a yellow car, they would say, beep, beep. And there were some other ones too. So watch it again and see how many patterns you can see in the pictures and how many patterns you can hear. And give us a shout out. You can write it down and take a picture, or maybe a videotape showing us what you saw in the book. All right, take care. We'll see you again. Hopefully we'll see you tomorrow live. Bye-bye.